Top 6 Air Purifiers for Smoke 2025, Best Options for Clean Air at Home. Are you looking for the best air purifiers to tackle wildfire smoke and improve air quality at home? Let's break down the top options to help you choose the right one. First, the Coway Airmega ProX, priced at $774.81. It covers up to 2,126 square feet, making it ideal for large spaces. It features a HEPA filter, a 3-stage filtration system, and a dirt sensor. Its quiet operation and exceptional performance make it a top-tier choice. However, it's heavy at 50 pounds, lacks smart features, and comes with high annual maintenance costs. Next is the Blueair 211i Max, priced between $244.99 and $349.99. It's designed for medium-sized spaces, covering 350 to 650 square feet. It includes both HEPA and carbon filters for particle and odor removal. It's portable at just 17 pounds and affordable to maintain. While it's a bit noisier on high speeds, it's a fantastic option for those who need reliable filtration in smaller spaces. The Blueair Classic 605, priced at $829.99, is a powerful option for spaces up to 775 square feet. It features a HEPA filter infused with coconut carbon to target smoke and odors effectively. It's highly reliable and comes with wheels for easy mobility. However, it's noisy at high speeds, heavy, and has higher annual maintenance costs at $261. For a budget-friendly option, consider the Winex 9800, priced at $259.99 to $274.99. It covers up to 500 square feet and features a 4-stage filtration system with an activated carbon layer. It performs well in particle removal and costs only $148 per year to maintain. While it's noisier than some other options, it's a solid choice for smaller spaces. The CleanForce Mega 1000, priced at $509.99, covers up to 1,000 square feet. It features a HEPA filter, a washable pre-filter, and a filter indicator to extend the life of its main filter. While its performance is strong, it has the highest annual maintenance cost at $306 and average noise levels during operation. Finally, the Allen Breathe Smart 75i Pure, priced between $748.99 and $799, is designed for spaces up to 1,300 square feet. It includes a HEPA filter, auto mode to adjust fan speed based on air quality, and operates quietly. While it's one of the quieter models, its high upfront cost and additional expense for the carbon filter should be considered. Whether you're dealing with wildfire smoke or want cleaner air at home, these air purifiers offer something for everyone. Let us know in the comments which one fits your needs best.